Hi guys, this is Shobhik Ghosh here from Internet Entry. Today I'm going to tell you about keyword research, what keyword research is, how keyword research works, what are the tools you can use to keyword research. Also, I'm going to tell you from where you can learn about keyword research for free. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Also, you can take notes from this video by pausing the video, and sometimes you can write on a notebook to take notes. So let's get started. So as per Wikipedia, keyword research is a practice search engine optimization professionals use to find and research search terms that users enter into search engines when looking for products, services, or general information. Keywords are related to queries which are asked by users in search engines. So in simple words, a keyword is anything that we use to search on Google, just like nearby services, any information like Domino's pizza near me or CCD near me, Starbucks near me. That is a keyword that we put in the Google search bar and we get the desired results, right? Any word which you use to search any service or any information is called keyword. So now let's understand what is keyword research. Keyword research is the practice with which we can understand how many times a keyword is searched in a particular region in a particular frame of time. Also, what is the search volume of the keyword, what is the search difficulty or the keyword difficulty, also the CPC for this keyword. CPC means cost per click for that particular keyword. If you want to run an ad on this keyword, how much money you have to pay for per click for this keyword, that is called CPC. So using these metrics, we can understand that how difficult it will be or how easy it will be for a keyword to rank on Google search result. For example, if I want to start a blog on what social media marketing is, so then this particular keyword has a search volume on Google, right? In India, how many times this particular keyword is searched, or in USA, how many times the keyword is searched will not be similar. So this has a search volume. Also, I will have to look at how difficult it is to rank on search engines. It is generally considered that it is better to have a search difficulty lesser than 40 out of 100. The higher the number of the search difficulty is, the difficult it is to rank on the Google. Simple words, if you have search difficulty lesser than 40, then there is a possibility of your blog or of your keyword to rank on Google. So whenever you are doing a keyword research to write an article, if you do not have much traffic on your website, if your website is relatively new, then you should go for high volume but low competition keywords. So now let's come to the website where we will understand about which are the websites that help you to learn about keyword research. So the number one website through which you can learn about keyword research is SEMrush. The number two website is Udemy. Udemy offers vast free courses about learning keyword research, and also Yoast SEO Academy is also a great place to learn about the basics of SEO or keyword research, because keyword research is an integral part of SEO. Without keyword research, you cannot do anything about SEO. The SEO starts only from keyword research only. The very beginning of SEO is all about keyword research. So you have to understand keyword research first, and then you can go in detail about SEO. So now, if you want to rank a website, rank a page on or an article on Google, there is a certain percentage of time that particular key phrase you have to use on your page to make Google understand that what is this topic all about. Just for an example, if you are writing an article on how to start a digital marketing agency, so then how to start a digital marketing agency, if that is the title of your page, then you have to use this particular term at least 1 to 1.5 times of the entire article length. That is, if you are writing an article for 1000 words, then you have to use this keyword, that is how to start a digital marketing agency, at least for 10 to 15 times, that is 1 to 1.5% of your entire article length. So now let me quickly tell you about the websites which are going to help you to do keyword research for free. The number one will be Ubersuggest. Number two is SEMrush. Number 3 is Keyword Surfer. Number 4, Answer the Public. Number 5, is Keyword Cheater. So using these 5 tools, you can do keyword research for free. So now I hope you have understood well enough about what is keyword research. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel if you are new to this channel. Also share this video with your friends. That will immensely help us and motivate us to make such great contents